Good morning, all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, today we will start our chapter, that is coal and petroleum. This is the chapter number 5. So, let's start. Firstly, students, you tell me what are natural substances or man made substances. See around you and then tell me. Pause the video over 1 minute and think and just tell me. So the natural substances are wood, air, coal, sunlight, means the substances which we get from, or the resources which we get from air, right? The resources which we get from air, those are called natural resources. But there are some man-made resources which we use in our daily life or daily routine, such as paint, cement, plastic, metals, some of, you can say, metalloids, right? So alloys. So these are man-made resources which are which made by man with the use of raw material from natural resources. Okay, so let's start with natural resources. So these natural resources is further divided into two categories. So natural resources is further divided into two types, that is inexhaustible natural resources or exhaustible natural resources. So inexhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which are present in unlimited amount with us, right? So the resources which are available with us in unlimited amount, unlimited quantity, we can use them in anyhow. They cannot be exhausted by human activities, like sunlight, air, okay, which we are using. So if we use sunlight or air, so we have not to give any charge for that, and these are and exhausted, right? They can not they are not present with us in limited amount, they are unlimited, right? So these are inexhaustible natural resources. So let us call exhaustible natural resources. Exhaustible natural resources are those natural resources which are present with us in limited amount, right? Those are found in only limited amount with us. So we have to very take care about that, about those resources when we are using them, right? So they can be exhausted by human activities, as I told you. So the examples are forest, right? There are lots of trees in the forest, and people are cutting trees day by day for their uses. So if likewise deforesting is going on, the forest will end one day. Like wildlife, minerals which we are extracting from earth, or coal, petroleum, natural gas. So all these are exhaustible natural resources, because by the use of human activities, if human is using these natural resources likewise, so these will be run one day, right? And so these are two inexhaustible natural resources or exhaustible natural resources. I hope these are clear to you. So let us talk about coal. So coal is the black color and it is as hard as stone, right? जो coal है वो black color का है and it is hard as stone. You have also seen coal in the blacksmith's shop, right? So what are the uses of coal? So there are lots of uses of coal in our day-to-day life. So you have seen various railway engines which are produce steam, right? So they use coal for running, and also people use coal as a fuel to cook food. For the cooking of food, coal is also used as a fuel, and in thermal power plant, coal is also used to produce electricity. So these are various uses of coal where we use coal. So used as a fuel in various industries. So see, in various industry it is also used as fuel, electricities, in thermal power plants, or in railways, engines can also run with the help of coal. So these are some uses of coal, right? Now we will discuss how we get this coal from nature. So how we get the coal? So see, about 300 million years ago, Earth was having dense forest in low-lying wet land areas, right? So due to there are many, you can say, natural activities like earthquake or volcanic eruptions, these forests got buried under the soil, right? So these forest, or you can say, the dead vegetations are uh, stored under the soil. So as more soil deposited over them, they were compressed, right? Over the layer of more soil was deposited over them, they just cover with the soil, right? And after that, the temperature also raised as they sank deeper and deeper. जैसे जैसे वो डीप जाता गया, उस जैसे वैसे ही वैसे जो टेम्परेचर था, अर्थ का जो टेम्परेचर था अंदर का, वो क्या हुआ, इंक्रीज होता गया, राइट? सो ड्यू टू ऑक्सीजन और हाई टेम्परेचर, dead plants inside the earth got slowly converted into coal, right? तो जैसे जैसे टेम्परेचर बढ़ता गया और जो ऑक्सीजन की अमाउंट थी उसको मिलती गई, तो जो भी डेड वेजिटेशंस थी, प्लांट्स थे, एनिमल्स थे, दैट विल कन्वर्टेड इनटू coal. So what is that process called? See, the carbonization. So this whole process is called carbonization, right? What is carbonization? The slow process of conversion of dead vegetations. As I told you कि जितने भी 300 million years ago जो अर्थ में जितने भी जो फॉरेस्ट थे या फिर उसका जो डेड रिमेन्स था, एनिमल्स थे, प्लांट्स थे, वो क्या थे, अर्थ में ब्यूड होते चले गए, और विद द passage of time having high temperature, they get compressed into the soil deeper and deeper, and after that there is a conversion process also going on, the conversion of dead vegetation. So जो dead vegetation buried हुई थी soil में, वो convert होती गई into coal, right? तो धीरे धीरे वो process हुई. तो this is the carbonization, the slow process of conversion of dead vegetation into coal. So this is called carbonization. Okay, I hope this is clear to you. Now we will discuss about the coal products. So they are coke, coal tar or coal gas. These are the product of coal. Coke, coal tar and coal gas. These are the product of coal which we get from coal. So let us discuss these one by one. Coke. What is coke? It is almost pure form of carbon, right? So coal is basically carbon form, right? It is a carbon. So coke is also a pure form of carbon. It is tough, porous or black substances. And what are the uses of coke? It is generally used in the manufacturing of steel. तो steel manufacturing में किसका use होता है? coke का use होता है. And also what is the other use? The other use is the extraction of many metals, right? many जो भी metals होती हैं उनके extractions में जो use होता है वो क्या use होता है? coke use होता है. और जो स्टील इंडस्ट्री है, जो स्टील मैन्युफैक्चरिंग के लिए हम यूज़ करते हैं, वो क्या यूज़ करते हैं? कोक, राइट? द सेकेंड वन इज कोल तार. सो कोल तार एक ब्लैक थिन लिक्विड होता है which having unpleasant smell is not good of that substance. So it is a mixture of about 200 substances. तो लगभग इसमें कितने substances का मिक्सचर होता है? 200 substances का मिक्सचर होता है. Substances obtained from coal tar are used as starting material. इससे जो भी substances हमें मिलते हैं उसको हम starting material यूज़ कर सकते हैं. उससे हम various type के substance बना सकते हैं, जैसे कि synthetic dye, drugs, explosives, perfumes, plastics, which we are using in our daily life. So these substances are used from a starting material which we get from coal tar, right? Roofing material to prepare naphthalene balls. So naphthalene balls are generally used for the moth or to repel the insects. So all these material we can just found from the coal tar as a starting or a raw material, right? So firstly, coal tar is also surfacing on the roads, but nowadays it is replaced by bitumen. Bitumen, it is a petroleum product that is used for metalling the roads, right? Nowadays we use bitumen in place of coal tar for surfacing the road. It is a petroleum product. I hope this is clear. So first, earlier we used coal tar, but now we are using bitumen for surfacing or metalling the roads. So let's see, the third product is coal gas. So coal gas is a byproduct formed during the processing of coal to the coke, right? So it is a byproduct when we are preparing coke from coal. So जब हम कोक प्रिपेयर करते हैं कोल से, तो जो बाय प्रोडक्ट निकलता है उसमें जो भी रिलीज होता है, दैट इज द coal gas. And there are various uses of coal gas. Let's see. So use as a fuel in industries and in coal processing plants. So coal processing plants और fuel industries में भी coal जो गैस होती है उसका यूज होता है. It is also used as a source of heat. सोर्स ऑफ हीट के लिए हम इसको यूज करते हैं, हीटिंग के लिए इसको यूज करते हैं. एंड इट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर स्ट्रीट लाइटनिंग. तो स्ट्रीट लाइटिंग के लिए भी हम इसको क्या करते हैं, यूज करते हैं, राइट. तो जो कोल गैस है, इट वॉज फर्स्ट यूज फॉर स्ट्रीट लाइटनिंग फॉर द वेरी फर्स्ट टाइम इन लंडन. तो जो स्ट्रीट लाइटनिंग के लिए जो सबसे पहले यूज हुई थी, ये कहाँ यूज हुई थी, लंदन में यूज हुई थी 1810 में, राइट. तो सबसे पहले लंदन में यूज हुई थी और उसके बाद न्यूयॉर्क में यूज हुई थी. That was in 1820. So these are the products of coal and the natural resources which we have discussed today.